Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So in this video, I wanted to show you some herbs that I've now added to my garden, similar to what I've already had, but replenished some pots and whatnot. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California plants, sustainability, a bit of art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I've got a bunch of plants and herbs that I'm going to be putting into my garden. Let me show you. I have got some thyme, oregano, two of these parsleys, the Italian kind, mint, and cilantro. And the thing is with cilantro specifically and basil, I have not had success, so we're gonna try again and see if I win, maybe. And then some trailing rosemary, and I'm going to basically plant them. Let me move this in so I can show you. The idea, hold on, let me pull this down, is this pot, which has parsley in it, is just going to get more parsley because I use that a lot. And then, I don't know if you can see this. Oh, I can't show it. There we go. So that pot down there, which already has rosemary, oregano, and thyme, is just going to get more. And then we'll figure out the other pots. So I'm going to try and do this as efficiently as possible, and you're going to watch me kind of plant them, but I will actually show you what I've done and what it looks like in this particular part during the actual video. I might speed it up a bit. Anyway, let's get to this. Oh, and I'm wearing my Tree of Life nursery shirt. I've decided I'm going to make this my kind of handy shirt. Anyway, now here's what I wanted to show you. This is kind of a little root bound, so I will kind of be breaking up the roots a little bit. This other parsley is also somewhat root bound, so. Now, this trailing rosemary was so root bound, the roots were coming from here. Alright, so I finished planting and did the best I could. I moved this Bee's Bliss here and removed as much of the dead leaves as I could. Put the parsley here with the remainder of the existing parsley. the oregano, thyme, and rosemary, along with the other ones that were here. Cilantro, mint, basil. I did add copper tape to this pipe, to this pot, not pipe. The idea being that hopefully that will continue to deter the snails. So we'll see how the cilantro and the basil grow. And then we've got all these other existing plants. Now this, I don't know what to plant in these. Not much really grows in these, so I might just leave them as unplanted decor. And this is the copper tape. I bought it off of Amazon many moons ago. And we've got all these existing natives that are here. Yeah, so things are looking nice. Let's hope I can keep all the plants alive. Haha. Anyway, thanks for watching.